Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can contact TEMU customer support. So make sure you watch till the very end, and this is actually very easy. Head over to Google and you'll see TEMU customer service. Now it shows us two websites. If we click on the first one, you'll see that they already have a bunch of questions that you might have, like maybe you report something suspicious or you're seeing missing items. If it's an order issue, you can see that. If it's like shipping or delivery, things like that. But if you can't find your problem within any of these, then you just click on contact us right over here, which will bring you and then ask you to log into your account. Let's say we log in for now. So once I've logged in, you can see they bring me to this page of TEMU customer service and they say that, hey, welcome, how can I help you? So just type in your question and they'll ask you if you want to continue talking to the support bot or do you want to talk to a real agent. So you're going to choose the real agent and there you go. This is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.